They are absolutely fascinating creatures, especially with their unique beaks. Hornbills are known for their large, curved beaks, which can vary in shape and size, depending on the species. These beaks are not only visually striking, but also serve various purposes. They use their beaks to catch and eat a wide range of food, including fruits, insects, small mammals, and even other birds. Some hornbills even have casts on their beaks. There are over 50 species of hornbills, and they are found in Africa, Asia, and Melanesia, each with its own characteristics. Many hornbill species form monogamous pairs, and the male and female work together to build a nest, usually in tree hollows, sealing the entrance to protect their eggs. Hornbills can have a long lifespan, with some species living for several decades in captivity. This longevity contributes to their significance in both natural and cultural contexts.